Hi, I'm Rhonda Clark, and I'm the Certified Nutrition Health Coach at Clark Chiropractic. And today I would like to share a recipe with you that we use a lot around our house. It's called vegan ranch dressing. So it's an alternative to ranch dressing. It's dairy-free. It's got a lot of health benefit, and it's really easy to make. You can make it in less than 3 minutes. It'll last in your refrigerator for 5 to 6 days, but I doubt it'll last that long. But what I start with over here, I'm going to show you the ingredients. I start with 1.5 cups of cashews. I do 1 stalk of celery, and I use about 1 cup of water, but we'll discuss this about the water in just a moment. I do 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic. I use 1 tablespoon of fresh dill and 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. All you do is have to put it into your blender. Now, about the water we discussed. When you put it in here, you might want to start with 1/2 cup of water and see if the consistency is the way you like it. Then you can add more water to it. Now, I will show you what mine looks like. I've already have some here, but you can see my consistency is real nice. You can use it for a salad dressing. You can also use this recipe for a dip. So a lot of times I'll cut up carrots and celery and jicama, have it on the counter. My grandkids can come along and just dip it into there. And it's an easy way for them to get good nutrients into their diet with a good salad dressing. Because a lot of salad dressings, when you buy them, they use bad oils. That's not good for us, but they also put a lot of sugar a lot of times in salad dressing. So this is an easy recipe that I hope your family enjoys. And all of us from Clark Chiropractic always remember, real foods matter.